Leaving the city.
Summertown, summertown, love's in its proud. Summertown, summertown, everything's just fine. But autumn came, turned love into shame. And love's a game, no one's to blame. Who are you counting on? Who are you leaning on? When the cold winds blow strong,
Shut up!
who are you counting on? Wintertown, blood in the snow.
Hi, Lowell. I am thinking of moving to the country and working from home. Will your boss let you work from home? I think so. I worked from home for 2 years. I will ask him. I am sure you could. Many people are doing it. I've been thinking about it for a long time. I don't like living in the city anymore.
Well, I wish you the best. I will talk to you later. I have to go pick up my son from school.
Okay, bye. Hello, is this Kelly Marshall? I found you online. You had good reviews. I was wondering if you could show me some houses out in the country, maybe around the Scottsville area.
Sure I can. I can show you a few. How about tomorrow morning at 10? I will send you some links to houses.
Lots of fun, sit in the sun. Another one will surely come. Who are you
It is so quiet here, except for the sound of the river. That is a very peaceful sound. My grandpa used to live out in this area. He taught me how to grow vegetables when I was a young boy.
Those are nice memories. Do you want to go look at the other houses?
No, this house is just what I was looking for. I am ready to make an offer.
I've been trying to be my own guiding star, but it appears it hasn't taken me very far. I've tried to be my own all in all and everything, but it's just been a hard and arduous thing. When I look back upon the life I have lived and the choices I have made, what do I say?
Oh, it sure is hot. Let's go down to the river and cool off.
That's a good idea. I will take my shirt off so I can swim in the river for a bit.
I will do that too. Woohoo!
Wow, that felt great. I'm glad I came out to see your new house. This was a fun day.
It sure was. Thank you for helping me with my garden. I will be sure to give you some vegetables when they are ripe.
I would appreciate that. Nothing tastes better than fresh vegetables from the garden.
Let's cook some chicken on the grill. I will get it ready. I sure am glad I moved out here. I feel so much more relaxed. Now all I need is a wife who doesn't mind getting her hands dirty.
My girlfriend has a friend named Nellie who I think was raised on a farm. Maybe we could have them over here for you to see if you like her. She plays the harmonica too.
Okay, Give them a call and invite them. We can all get together Saturday. We can have a barbecue and a music jam.
Hey, Tina, I am at Landon's house, and we were wondering if you and Nellie want to come over for a barbecue Saturday. That sounds great. I will ask her. Thank you for inviting us to your house, Landon. This is my friend, Nellie. Hello, Landon. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
I've been trying to break through. I've been dying to be with you, but my town.
I love your house. Do you have a long commute to work?
No, I work from home.
That's so cool.
What do you do?
I own the feed store on Main Street. Many farmers come to my store for food for their animals. Hey, let's play some music. Wow, that was great. I am getting worn out. Let's go barbecue now. I am hungry. I think we should go home now. It was a wonderful and fun day. Thank you for inviting us, Landon. Nellie, are you coming with us? Well, if Landon doesn't mind, I would like to hang out here a little longer.
Of course, I will take you home later on.